What's up, Cubers? Today I got a package from speedcubeshop.com. Alright, let's get into it. So, we got this nice bag. Speedcube Shop. Show my Speedcube Shop pride. Oh wow! Look at that. Martian loot card. That's cool. I've never seen that before. And they got their socials. Alright, put that aside and let's get into the main thing. The MGC 6x6. I got some sort of sticker on there. Okay. Says important. Handle with care. Please take additional care when solving a bigger cube. There are many small internal pieces working together, so we recommend taking things slow and steady until you are comfortable with the puzzle. Be on the lookout for misaligned layers before making a turn and have fun. Well, thank you, Speedcube Shop. I don't think I need that warning since I've solved 5x5 before. And yeah, that can be terrible. Okay, I'll be right back while I open this. Alright. Got the plastic off. Let's open it. And then in the next video, I will have a video solving this without any help. So I hope that goes decent. I don't think it should be too hard. These things are always so hard to take off whenever you first get the box. I always like struggling in these unboxing videos. Oh yes, there it is. Okay, well, let's take a look at the accessories just in case if y'all never seen them before. It's just like we got the screwdriver, some extra springs, magnets, and a solving guide. I will not use that though in the next video. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, let's get into first turns. And I just noticed that I've never had one of these before. I never had anything over than a 5x5. Of course, very, very fast. Take a look at the shades. See if I could do a checker pattern on it. Don't work like that. Well, it looks pretty good. I think I might be able to do something. Let's just continue mixing it up. So far, it turns really well.